Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the E sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the long E sound. Can you make the E sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth just a little bit. Then, stretch the sides of your lips as far as you can, like this. Then, make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. E. E. Now let's practice a few words with the E sound. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Eat. Cheese. Me. Key. The E sound can be spelled with the letters EA as in eat, EE as in cheese, E as in me, and EY as in key. Great job! Well done! Ellii.